Okay, here's the system we're trying to solve. That's a system of two linear equations with two unknowns. If we actually take a look at the graph of those two lines on Desmos, turns out the point of intersection is -12, -5. So when we solve this system from board one, that's really what we're doing. We're finding the point of intersection of those two lines. Okay, and there's two basic methods that you can use. On the left side of this black line, I've showed addition, elimination. And it might be helpful to rewrite this in this form. So minus x plus 2y equals 2, negative 4x plus 5y equals 23. And it looks like the easiest thing to do to eliminate one of the variables is to multiply the first equation by -4, because that'll give us a plus 4 in front of x for the first equation and a -4 in the second equation. When I add them together, equals added to equals are equal. That's why I can add these two equations together and still get a true statement. Here's the result of multiplying the first equation by -4. Add these two equations together, those two terms combine to 0. I get -3y equals 15, so y equals -5. And now how do you find out the corresponding value for x? Well, you substitute this -5 in for y in any of the equations you have written down. This looks like the easiest one. So I'm going to rewrite this equation, but instead of the letter y, I'm going to use the -5 that I found. And that gives us x equals -12. There is the point of intersection of these two linear equations. If you want to use the substitution method, that's usually easiest to do when you can get one of the letters by itself without introducing a bunch of fractions. So I can see I can transpose this minus x to the left side, this 2 to the right side, and here I've got one of the variables by itself. Now I can substitute this equivalent expression for x into the other equation right here. And that's what I've done right here. This is called the substitution method. Solve that equation, distributing the -4, you get the same result, y equals -5. And you can substitute that value in here if you want, or you can go back over to here. There you go. Hope that helped. And if you have any questions, post a comment.